So the BMW X7 was unveiled at the International Auto Show in Frankfurt last year, and I actually had the opportunity to go in there and being able to see it myself. But a few days ago, when I was leaving Munich, just north of the city on the Autobahn, I actually saw a prototype X7. It was very obvious that he did not want to be filmed, so we just kind of let him go, but at least we got to see it. So it was really cool, so I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, go down, hit the like button. So being here in Germany, I never know when I'm going to encounter a prototype on the road. So definitely subscribe, turn on notifications, so if I do see another one, you can be the first ones to know. But thank you for watching.